Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and clicking on my face again. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different for this channel. Not completely different because I have reviewed things that aren't makeup in the past, but not since making my channel mainly makeup, if that makes sense. So today, if you can probably already tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving my kind of first impression to the Bose Soundsport free headphones, earphones, earplugs. I'm not really sure. I feel like headphones go on your head, earplugs go in your ear, earphones go in your ear. Help? I don't know. Wow, I'm clearly the right person to be unboxing this. If there's something I don't know about technology, it's not worth knowing, you know what I'm saying? So I actually got these for my birthday, which was yesterday, as I'm filming this 2 days ago when you guys are hopefully watching this. So these, I'm going to call them headphones or earphones or whatever. I'm just going to interchange those terms in this video. I'm sorry if that's not correct, I don't care really, okay? So deal with it. So these headphones come in a variety of colours. They actually come in 4 colours. They come in like a sort of blackish brown. I think it's black, but in some pictures it looks brown. A blue, an orange, and then this, as you can see, is a limited edition colour and it is like their purple. I think they call it ultraviolet, but I'm just going to call it purple because I am not fancy. So it's purple. So these headphones retail for £180. I think on John Lewis some of like the normal colours are like 170 and the ultraviolet ones are 180, but on Bose's actual website they're all 180, they're all the same price. So enough rambling, let's just open this bad boy up, shall we? So we're just going to slip this little sleeve off like that, and obviously you have the Bose packaging inside, and then you open it up and you get like some instructions in lots of different languages on that side, and a picture of a girl working out. That's me. Not really, I wish. On that side. So up here we have the charging case, and the headphones are also in there as well. Then down here we have a little bit of information in this packet about our warranty and things like that. We have the micro USB charger just there, and then down here you actually also have 2 different size of like the plastic earplug things that actually go onto the headphone. So you have size small and size large here. The actual headphones have a medium on them at the minute. So this is the actual charging case. It's obviously a matte finish and then has the Bose in the shiny text there. I don't know if you can even see that. A little button on the front just here, and you just press that to pop them open. And your headphones are just inside there like that. This is what they look like outside of their charger, and then as I say you have the plastic silicone kind of earplugs. They are the size medium, so they come with the size medium. These also magnetise into this case, which I think is a really nice little feature, so they just pop right in. I don't know if you can see the amazing magnetisation, but they do actually magnet in there, so they're not going to be falling out or anything like that. So as I say, in here we just have like information about the warranty, which I actually need to do, all the usual sort of like health and safety and mumbo jumbo. It's not mumbo jumbo, but you know what I'm saying. And then you also just have a little leaflet on how to set them up. It's literally 2 instructions. I have already set them up. So let's get on to the actual headphones and the charger themselves. We'll throw this to the side for now. So the case holds 10 hours worth of charge when it's fully charged. You can tell how full it is by pressing the button, and the number of lights indicates how full it is. So there's 5 lights, do you see that? 5 lights, which means it's fully charged. I think each light stands for obviously like 20% or something along those lines, and that's also the button you press to open them up as well. So yeah, it has 10 hours worth of charge, and then the headphones, once they're fully charged, can hold 5 hours worth of charge. So obviously with 5 hours worth of charge on the headphones, that's not a super long amount of time. For completely wireless headphones, I personally think it's like pretty good, and for my needs it would suit those perfectly because I'm only going to be at the gym for a tops of like 2 hours at a time, and that's very rare. That's only if I'm doing like a class and a workout on my own. Excuse my croaky voice, I'm just recovering from a cold. But I can understand if you were maybe like a long distance runner or a marathon runner or something along those lines, where you needed something that was going to last you a lot longer than 5 hours, you might be disappointed with these obviously. So your right headphone actually has 3 buttons on it. The middle one is to skip songs, go back a song, anything like that. And then there's also a plus and minus for the volume as well. I personally, I've used these once so far, and I personally feel like I'll just use my phone to turn it up and down, but it is nice to have, like, to know you can if you really wanted to. But for me personally, I'm going to be wearing these, but I'm going to always be having my phone with me as well, so I'm probably just going to turn it up and down on my phone because it's just much easier. So to put these in, they are super simple, and honestly I was shocked at kind of like how easy they are to put in and how comfortable they are, because I was kind of intimidated by them not having anything to hold on to, like, but my ear. So all you do to pop them in is pop the sort of like little nugget in your ear and then like twist so that this kind of little hook that it has is inside your ear. I don't know if you can see that, but that's how they look. So this is what they look like in the ear. You probably can't even tell because of my hair, so I'll just pull that away. Should we have like a little dance break? As you can see, they stay put during vigorous exercise. Oh god, I really wish I hadn't done that while wearing lip gloss, because we all know how that ends. The case also has 2 lights inside, and basically when these lights stay on it means the headphone is fully charged. When they flash it means it's charging, and I think if they're like red or something it means like there's an issue and you need to contact some customer service support. So as I say, I've used these once so far. I've used them at the gym and I have to say I love them. I'm so happy that I asked for these for my birthday and that my parents thankfully provided. I'm so pleased with them. They're so comfortable. At first I was a bit like, ooh, not sure, like maybe I need like a different size of like the actual plug themselves. After a while I literally didn't even realise I was wearing them. They're just so comfortable. The sound quality, as you would expect from Bose, is phenomenal, and I think this little case is amazing also. The only issue I've encountered with these so far is that if you are watching like YouTube and stuff like that on your phone, it doesn't sync the audio as you would kind of expect for a Bluetooth headphone. I've heard of that issue if you get like Bluetooth speakers for your like surround sound of your TV and stuff like that. I've heard that there can be issues with that as well. So it wasn't something I'd thought about before like asking for these, but when I realised it I was like, oh yeah, that does make sense. I am going to look into a way to see if I can rectify that, but I don't know if that's going to be possible, which is a shame because I do like to watch YouTube at the gym. If I'm going to be like on the bike for a while or something like that, I'll usually stick a little bit of YouTube on because I get bored just listening to music. I need something to like watch as well. But honestly I still did watch YouTube, and yes, the audio was like ever so slightly out of sync, but it wasn't, for me personally, it wasn't that big of an issue. Not that I'd want to watch everything I ever watch like that, but for like half an hour at the gym it wasn't that big an issue for me personally. But if that kind of thing does bother you, then that's just something to consider. Like you might need wired headphones for that instead. So just something to consider. So guys, that is my unboxing and initial first impression of the Bose Soundsport Freeze done and dusted, I guess. Obviously I realise this is quite a bit of a different video for me, so I really appreciate you guys if you've stuck around to watch the whole thing, or if you've even clicked on this to begin with. Thank you so much. I just wanted to talk about them because I think they're really cool and I was really happy when I got them. So thank you so much for watching. Obviously this has been a unboxing from a complete layman point of view. I do not know technology very well. I do not know like sound equipment very well at all, so it's really not my area of expertise, but this is just kind of a general person's unboxing and first impression of the devices, so I hope you appreciate that. Well guys, I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and let me know that you would like to see more things like this. I can't say that I'll have £180 things to review every week, but you know, maybe in the future we can do some more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and please make sure you ring that bell so that you are always notified when I upload a video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! So you just slip the sleeve off like that, and you have this, oh, and your head, I don't know if you can even see the amazing magnetization. Oh my god, 5 years at uni for that. Magnetization? Yes. It was just talking to me, telling me how full the battery is. The case also has 2 lights inside. So as I say, I have used, oh my god, please stop.